Hello, check.
Check, check, check.
Check one, check two. Camera crew, we're on. Sound crew, we're on. Production crew, light crew, we're on. Good evening, Shillong. It's raining, it's cold. We are here to warm you guys up this evening. Are you ready? Shillong, come on, let me hear a scream first to start things off. Shillong, are you ready? Ah, slightly better, slightly better. Well, I promise you this, we've got a lineup this evening that's going to heat things up pretty high. So, be ready for that. But before we move any further, before we start, let me tell you what we're all about. Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 launch. This has been brought to you by the Department of Tourism and in association with Meghalaya Age Limited. This is a government of Meghalaya initiative, and this is a project which was planned, which was designed last year, and it's an initiative musicians, our artists, a chance to come up on platforms. The reason why we have called it grassroots is because we are targeting the grassroots level musicians. We will be taking this project to the different parts of the state. We're trying to cover every nook and corner of the state, not leaving anything behind. Last year, if our stats are right, we have covered almost about a little over 2,000 performances. This year, our target is to cover 3,000 performances. There has always been this talk about our state. Way back when we were growing up, we would hear this talk about Shillong being the rock capital of the country. Being from a musician's background myself, being from the music community myself, in the past years, I never felt we lived up to that name. For various reasons. We would have friends who would come in from the other states, they would walk in, they would come in for a holiday, they would come in for a weekend, and they would, ask us, we see some music, we hear so much about Shillong, we hear so much about the artists and the musicians of Meghalaya. And then if it's a Wednesday or a Thursday, there are no gigs anywhere, there are no performances anywhere. It's very limited. And I think my musician friends would agree with me when I say this, that to make a livelihood of music is not easy in a state. But this initiative that has been started last year, Meghalaya Grassroots Project, this initiative is an attempt to change that mindset. It's an attempt to change that ground reality. And last year we have conducted it, and well, based on the success of last year's efforts, this year we are pushing it on a bigger scale, bigger note. So well, that being said, we are involving other acts as well, other forms of art as well. We will also be including this year, we will be having flash mobs as well. So be on the lookout at the various cafes and the various occasions where we will be holding these events. Be on the lookout for flash mobs. Be on the lookout for street performances such as street plays. And also we will be increasing the number of busking activities. If you look into music, and if you go back into the history of music, and you take all the big greats in music, the likes of Bob Dylan and such, they started their music career playing in small cafes. They started the music career, busking on the streets, working really hard. It's easy to look at a rock star and say, wow, he's living the life. But the foundation years of that rock star goes way back to 30, 40, maybe even 50 years. of hardcore groundwork. So, well, this initiative to create that kind of environment, to create that kind of platform, credit goes to our state, credit goes to our Chief Minister, the Honorable CM, Sir Conrad Sangma. He envisioned this because I think we all know he is also a music lover. He has envisioned this a few years ago, and last year was when it came to fruition. And for that, I think a round of applause for our CM, please. Come on, Shillong, show some love, please. This is something that is going to give our kids a chance to be great performers, and I assure you this, we're going to start off this act today with a band on stage whose front person or the main vocalist is 11 years old. Her name is Arlene. I think I got her name right. I got her name right. Yeah? Yeah. So Arlene here to my right, she's 11 years old. And she's very, very talented. She's got a long way to go, no doubt, but already at this age, she's performing, I mean, like a proper, well-trained singer. And without any further ado, on stage right now, I would love to introduce this band. These are, they call themselves Na Ubnai, which literally means from the moon. This name is derived from, I've been told that the name is derived from a folklore or folk tale from Japan. And the story goes like this. There was a woodcutter who walked into the woods to get some bamboo, and over there he found a little girl, and he brought her back home. And he brought her home, and he and his wife, they, raised her up. And then somewhere down the line, a few years later, he went down to the same woods to collect bamboos again. And there was a pot of gold, or there was, a treasure chest rather, that was waiting for him there. And that was like a blessing for him, and a blessing that for the good that he did by taking this child in. And years later, this child grew up into a beautiful woman. And one evening, as she was sitting out on a full moon night, she realized, as she looked up to the moon, the memories came back, and she realized that she's not a child of this earth, and that she actually belonged to the moon. And that realization made her ancestors from the moon come and take her back to the moon. So this is the folk story or the folk tale of that particular story from Japan. And this band has taken that name for themselves, and they've called this band Na Ubnai because of young Arlene that is there. So without any further ado, Shillong, are you ready to show some love? Oh, come on, Sudet. Come on, Shillong, are you ready for this band? Na Ubnai, the stage is yours.
Hello everyone, we are the band Na Ubnai, and this first song is called Kendit Benreu. It's our original.
Pinken no dala dir kisni Hasni minta kila nang ja Jingya tet lem rukala nang ja Jing thom bot la jalei hala kari Gended ben riu pupun kari Kasih hati kapiang Yapi bat yanga Bangin shuem Haki jing skoha Lada gifter kan ya lawe kari Kajing babi yang ga Bad yapi Yanu pinken no dala dir kisni Samla kari toyeng bante ajat ben riu Kenang bakal away chongi kan roy kan ki Hatu kabyang yapi bat yanga Bangin shuem haki jing skobha Ladang em kan ya lawe kari Kajing babi yang nga bad yapi Yanu pinken no dala dir kisni Yanu pinken no dala dir kisni
Kublai. Kublai Shibun. This next song is called Shat Penang Penang by late Rana Karkongor.
la la về tôi nhau con bắt tôi yên ya là cái trong khuôn và bên thầy anh thích kinh đẹp con im của mà đi về tôi biết cầm bơi cuốn bên nhắc mà nhạc về cả bên xe tôi sáng đang ba con cuốn thì để xiết đi về ta rất ta đàn công ty ta buồn hẳn thua những sớm hãy ta biết ta biết ta ý cho kẻ và ai xuống hạ kim lệch làng ba đi la bù rõm la cột cuốn bên lạnh các kết hợp đây tôi nhau cột bắt tôi yên ya là cái trong cuốn ba thầy cả bên xe tôi sáng đang ba con cuốn thì đây cái xiết đi lấy wow kinh giáp ôi sắc ra nhạc chán vui buồn thì ngân sắc hay ôi
Xuống băng em. Tadi gue jing roi kadi nabenta kadi ka original jingi kadi nabenta kiba ya let drugs kadi kabanya prevent ya kata ka it's prevention against drugs, prevention against HIV. So I hope you guys like this song.
Aku pariku pun kasih bocah pingawan bandra Kasning bat bin I Bakin yad haru komba day biang Ya jeng sneng temen ken mau ken diang Waju bam jam Rujung het sababi Wajah tenrai balai long kum ni Wan man bakin syia lagaman Kublai shibuan
Poro ya snubang ni em kata original jengi. Dok, ini kadik jurnal kedua jengi. It's our last song. It's called Porta Masa, written by Desmond Sun.
Di Tuhan yang ada doa Di tiap
Yes, ma'am. Check. Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 launch. Brought to you by the Department of Tourism in association with Meghalayan Age Limited, Government of Meghalaya. The last band on stage was Naubnai. A round of applause for them, please. We'd also like to welcome Bapol Lingdo, the Honorable Minister of Tourism, Dr. Ampri Lingdo, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Sir Rupert Moomin, MLA North Garo Hills, Bajop Group, Honorable MDC of Ramrai, Jirngam. The next band on stage is a folk troupe. They are very popular in our state of Meghalaya and have performed in various locations. They were formed way back in the year 2000. And they have come a long, long way. Before I move further with the introduction of the band, I'd also send my sincere, warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, sir. Thank you so much for being here, as well as all the other dignitaries and MLAs who are there. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. We will move ahead with this act, and as I was saying, Surna ng Kondong. Kilasna ya kaniga kunhon haus nem hajar, par kilatem keleng ha kaniga jela Meghalaya. They are from East Khasi Hills, Maukan Row, and the artists come from the different constituencies of that area. One of the motives of this event of Meghalaya Grassroots Music Projects is not only to encourage musicians and artists to come forward, but also to inspire others as well, also to inspire originality as well, so that our artists, our musicians can get to that platform, which is at par with artists that we all look up to in this day and age. So it is with great pride that I introduced you a band, a folklore band, who dwell and who write original songs. Their songs talk about the society, talk about the evils of society, talk about the kakrechpang ka imlang kasalang jungi, kiju thoru ikijing ruai, gospel, bar kiju perform ru, hakijing yeseng na kijing yalang ki bahe. They have their head office, if at all anyone is interested to know them further and to know the band further. They have their head office at Linching, East Khasi Hills. So without further ado, Surna ng Kondong, the stage is yours.
Hapne ka may mariang lai phao ching thao
จักกี่ชินบ้านซาเมาลงเมาเตะบาคราวกานำชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียกหน้าผาจึงเป็นงีมันชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียกหน้าผาจึงเป็นงีมันหน้าผางีริงเมนซีมกาเลร์บัสเงาเต็นนาปั่นเป็ดเศร้าดงจงพาเมนตาละอีเซนเอลาชะเป็นจอดเป็นปลาชานูชูปัดกาลาเวผู้คนเป็นริวเก่งยอจริงทมบรยามาเรียงแย่งบันเตรลังบารอจริงอีแต่นัดปากันวันเบียงชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียนหน้าผาจึงเป็นงีมาชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียนหน้าผาจึงเป็นงีมาหน้าผางีริงเมนซีกาเลร์บัสเอลเต็นนานโอ้หน้าผางีริงเมนซีกาเลร์บัสเอลเต็นนานก็ไม่มาเรียงหน้าผาจึงแม่นงีมาชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียงหน้าผาจึงแม่นงีมาหน้าผางีริงแม่นซึมกาเลร์บัสเงาเต็นนาดโอ้หน้าผางีริงแม่นซึมกาเลร์บัสเงาเต็นนาดหับแน่ก็ไม่มาเรียงกี่เร่งกุมจูกี่ซิมกี่ลมกี่แทมกี่วะกุมจูกี่เรียกกี่รำกาดักกะชินบานซาเมาลงเมาเตะมาเท้ากานำชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียนหน้าผาจึงแม่นงีมาชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียนหน้าผาจึงแม่นงีมากาเลร์บัสเงาเต็นนาดโอ้หน้าผางีริงเมนซีกาเลร์บัสเงาเต็นนาดปั่นเป็ดเศร้าจงจงพาเมนตาละอีเซนเอลาชะเป็นจดเป็นปลาชาดูชูปัดกาลาเวคนเป็นริวเก่งยอจริงคงหมดยามาเรียงแย่งบันเตรลังบารอจริงอีแต่นัดประกันวันเบียงชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียนหน้าผาจึงแม่นงีมันชีชาก็ไม่มาเรียนหน้าผาจึงแม่นงีมันหน้าผางีริงเมนซีมกาเลร์บัสเงาเต็นนาดโอ้หน้าผางีริงเมนซีมกาเลร์บัสเงาเต็น
Check. Shua bikin niat sekhmat hari ni ka. Kajing put jing tem jong surna nang kendong. I'd like to take this opportunity To call upon Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Tourism, to please felicitate the following. Sir. The first, of course, to our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad Sangma. Paul Lyngdoh, Honorable Minister of Tourism. Ampreen Lyngdoh, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Ian Botham, K. Sangma, MLA. Rupert Momin, MLA. Bajap Pangrop, Honorable MTC. We call upon again Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Tourism, to give his introductory address.
Our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, our Honorable Tourism Minister, Paul Lyngdoh, Honorable Agriculture Minister, Madam Ampareen, respected MLAs, artists, all the people who have come for this beautiful program. Very, very good evening, everyone. This is a very, very special day for, I think, everybody who's here, for the musicians of Shillong, for tourism in Meghalaya, for all of us in the tourism department, because one of our most successful programs, which we call the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project, we launched this last year in April 2022. So the purpose of this program was to provide a platform. We have so many musicians in Shillong and Meghalaya, everywhere, even in rural areas, we have so much of talent. The idea was to provide a platform to all these artists who can come. They can come to Shillong, they can come to the tourist spots, they can go to Cherrapunji, they can go to Jowai, Tura, and perform and have this opportunity so that these talents get recognized, so that our place becomes a buzzing place and truly becomes the music capital, the rock capital of this country, which we have the immense potential and which we are already known for. So when we launched this program, we launched it small. We were doing cafe gigs. We did a lot of roadside busking performances. We did very interesting performances in places like Arwa Cave, in places like Shillong Padang. We did a performance near the root bridges. So we did a lot of interesting things through last year. And based on the success and based on the advice that we got from our Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Tourism Minister, we wanted to scale this up. So we wanted to make it even bigger. So that's why we have season 2 and we are gathered here for the launch of this beautiful program. I'd like to once again congratulate all the artists and thank all of them, all those who were part of this through last year, all those who are going to be part of this year. This is a great opportunity. There's an opportunity for the artists, and there's also an opportunity for tourism. When tourists come, I'm sure among this huge crowd that's gathered here, there are definitely some tourists. There are a lot of residents of Shillong. So it's a wonderful way to kind of celebrate who we are, what we are capable of, and showing this to the whole world proudly. So I'm extremely delighted. I once again want to thank our Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Tourism Minister for all the encouragement, for their advice, for really pushing us to make this happen. In this season 2, which will go on for the whole year, we will have performances every day. At least in Shillong, we'll do performances almost every day. On weekends, we'll have in multiple places. In addition to musical performances, we'll also have stand-up comedy. We'll also have other art forms, so that we give a platform to music primarily, but also to all the performing arts. I'm sure we are all waiting to see more music. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you, sir. I take this honor, this moment as well to call upon Bapol, sir. A few words from you as well, sir, please.
Good evening, friends. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who has been at the success story of MGMP since last year. My colleagues in the Assembly, the Minister in Charge, Law, Dr. Ampareen Lingdo, other MLA friends and MDCs, Commissioner and Secretary, Dr. Vijay, Cyril Dengdo, the Director, officials, and more importantly, young friends, artists, organizers of this event for season 2 of MGMP. First and foremost, I'm sure these are showers of blessings that God has bestowed upon us, and we should be in a position to take Meghalaya forward and really make Shillong the music capital of the country. The department has been actively engaged in multiple activities in the past few months, and today, here is one major platform, a wonderful platform for our budding as well as achievers in the field of music, and we will ensure that this is not confined to Shillong alone. We are going to take MGMP to the nooks and corners of Meghalaya, including each of our district headquarters. We're confident that the hills will remain alive with the sound of music, and Shillong very soon, this very place where we are right now, will be a pedestrian zone where we will then hear the sounds, the beautiful sounds of buskers, musicians, artists, and groups. I'll not take more time. We're here to celebrate Meghalaya as the ultimate destination for tourism in the country, and I'm sure that with the support and engagement of each one of you, we will be achieving this goal in the very near future. Thank you. Kublai Shibun, Mithela. God bless.
Kublai Sibon Bapol. Swabingin ya jam yang sakman ngisim por kaptu kat ni simin armet ban penkre ya ka launch jong kan project. Before we move ahead, we will take a 2-minute recession while we prepare the launch of the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. So bhai Aisha Alim. I have the honor to call to the podium the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad Sangma, to launch Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2. Also, the Tourism Minister, Bapol, to please do the honors. Meghalaya Grassroots Project Season 2, the launch is on. And we will start our projects by next week onwards. We will reach out to the various parts of the state, not leaving any state or constituency untouched by this project. Jaintia Hills, Khasi Hills, Garo Hills, prepare yourselves. We will be knocking on your doors. With that being said, at this moment, with a lot of pride, I'd like to call upon, once again, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad Sangma, to deliver his speech. Sir, the podium is yours.
The guest of honor for today's program, Paul Lyngdoh, Honorable Minister for Tourism, our colleague in the cabinet, Dr. Amperine, all my colleagues in the assembly, all the officials who are present out here today, and most importantly, all the musicians and friends who have joined us to be part of this launch of the MGMP Season 2. I know it's a rainy day, but in spite of the rains, all of you are here to be part of this program, and it really is something which is special to us. And at the very outset, I would like to congratulate the Tourism Department led by our Honorable Tourism Minister, Paul Lyngdoh, and our Commissioner Secretary, and all the other officials for having successfully launched and conducted the first season, and here we are today into the second season. I'm happy to inform all of you that through the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project, in the last season, 1,600 artists had performed in 3,000 different occasions. That means 1,600 of our budding musicians who did not have a platform before to showcase their talent and were not able to use their talent in a productive manner, got an opportunity in the last 12 months to showcase their talent, financially benefit from it, and were able to boost tourism as a whole in the state of Meghalaya. And that is why this is a very special program to us. Apart from the fact that both Paul and I are very much into music, we love playing music and we love listening to music. We love to see our young musicians really be able to showcase their talent. This is about the youth. This is about you. This is about utilizing your talent that God has blessed you with in a productive, in a constructive manner, and to be able to showcase your talent to the rest of the world. This is what this is all about. And for the first time, I'm presuming in the entire country, that a program like this has been launched, and Meghalaya is showcasing and showing the way forward on how we can develop a music industry out of this entire program and process. Today, all the different ways in which government earns revenue by promoting tourism, we are able to share some part of that revenue by giving the funds and money to our artists to perform in different locations. And this is how the economy grows, and this is how tourism benefits our local people. Today we can say that through the music scene, we have been able to create different kind of employment opportunities at such a large scale for our youth by utilizing the talent that they have. And the best part about Season 2 is that we are going to make it even bigger. We are going to do it every day, and we're going to expand the kind of projects and the talents that you can showcase. It's not just singing now. We will do folklore, we will do different kind of dramas, we will do different kind of acts and shows. different kind of performances, different kind of stand-up comedy, all different talents that are there will also be showcased through this Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. So I will not take much time. I'm sure that we all want to enjoy the music, and therefore I wish this program the very best, and I hope that in this year we will be not just able to touch 1,600 but thousands of other artists and allow you the platform to be able to perform. It gives me a lot of satisfaction and pleasure to be able to see our young artists perform in front of our tourists. I remember my younger days and always used to wish that we would be able to stand up somewhere and perform for somebody. And really it's those experiences in my life that really motivated us and myself especially to make sure that the opportunities which we wished we had in our younger days, we would like to see that our youngsters and our youth get those opportunities at least today when we have an opportunity to make things happen. God has blessed us with this time and this opportunity to make a difference in the lives of the people, in the lives of the youth, and I'm happy that this program will be one of the most far-reaching projects that we will have. And once again, I wish the department, I wish the team, and most importantly, I wish the artists and our youngsters the very best for this. May God bless each and every one of us. May God bless the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of encouragement. Thank you so much, sir, for your undying support towards the youth of our state. Thank you so much for the visions in this project, for your belief in the teams that have worked behind this project since last year. And to add to everything that Conrad has said, earlier I had mentioned that we are tied to a statement which, has been very synonymous with us through the past years, and that is Shillong, the rock capital of India. In the past years, being from a musician's background myself, I didn't think that was an honest enough statement that we were tagged with. But trust you me when I say this, that with the launch of this project, and with this year's push and with this year's endeavors, Shillong will become the rock capital of India. Shillong, are you with me on that? Are you guys cold? I know it's raining and you're still standing out that. Shillong, are you with me? Are we going to be the rock capital of India? I can't hear you. Are we going to be the rock capital of India? Much better. With that, right now, I'd like to call Sri Cyril V. D. Dingdo, Director of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya, for his closing remarks, after which we will continue this event's proceedings. Sir?
Thank you very much. Good evening to everyone. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Tourism Minister, Paul Lyngdoh, Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh, Honorable Agriculture and Health and Family Welfare Minister, Honorable MLAs, our Commissioner and Secretary, all the artists, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, for launching the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Seasons 2. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address, for motivating our youth, and laying down your vision for the beautiful state of ours in motivating the youth and encouraging them to take their talent forward, and through this platform of the MGMP to make Meghalaya and our beautiful state truly the music capital of our beautiful country. Thank you, sir, for your launch and for your inspiring words. We thank our Honorable Tourism Minister, Paul Lyngdoh, for his guidance and for his inspiring address and for his presence here today and always guiding us in the department, and being a musician himself for articulating the vision of how this MGMP can reach to every corner of our state. Thank you, sir, for your kind words and your address and for your presence here today in launching this program with our Honorable Chief Minister. We thank all the other dignitaries who are present today for the launch, Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdor, our Honorable Agriculture and Health and Family Welfare Minister, Honorable MLAs, Shri Ian Botham K. Sangma and Shri Rupert Momin, Honorable MDC Bajop, our Commissioner and Secretary Tourism, Dr. Vijay Kumar, for his leadership in the department, for really articulating this program and launching this Meghalaya Music Project Seasons 2. A big thank you goes out to all the artists, all the 1,600 artists who performed in Season 1, which is banking on that success. We have launched Season 2 here today. So a big thank you to all the artists, all the producers, all those behind this MGMP project Season 1 that has led to the success and the launch of this Season 2 today. We also thank all the artists who will be performing in various parts of our state as part of Season 2, including those who have performed here today, so that truly together the tourism department and all the artists can really take forward the music industry in our beautiful state, give an opportunity to our youth, and make Meghalaya and our beautiful state the music capital of India. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. That being said, we have a lineup for this evening, and we have artists, we have songs to be performed. Already on stage, Surna Nankandong, they've already done one song for you. These guys, we request them to please follow up with your performance, after which we do have a beautiful song. I'll keep that as a surprise. And we will also have colors to wrap up this evening's session. So, I know it's raining, but please bear with us. Like Paul said, these are showers of blessings. Surna Nankandong, Karansan Kadiga Jongpi.
Ching im hok ching im ba pha hala ka kran ka khana karam ka pech dei a kor na la ching im hok ching im ba pha hala ka kran ka khana karam ka pech dei a kor na la ba ka pan thai ka tuk tim ba ka pan thai ka di thu bu rom jong yi da lei lei kam du dei hang ta lum sen ka ban kim ban ne ban teng ba đông cả tận rải đông deng har kan di mei ipa lembat di han men para halem wer pei ka sur dui tara har kan di mei ipa lembat di han men para halem wer pei ka sur dui tara ka ching im badona kor hala ka ting stang dei por nang balong priu kan kiu shalor dai hatan sang kaban ipan ne batek kabanong katan rai dong yang กาตันไรดองนังแดงKori kasih baik Kori tipreu tiplay Anam jempa kalaja syai Palay palong kumta Ngakeli halade Hadungin saktang hajing babe Kendit pen riu pukon kari Toyang ngin ya teli Kendit pen riu pukon kari Tapor la dayangi Jingot melung kari tos ngap Yang ikakot ade yarap Jingot melung kari tos ngap Yang ikakot ade yarap Lacak itenan Kawah dut paskur larga Hai ingin xem sa si sempat Tang ban mentoy si me Yara karingi klet Long din jongi asya ay kinten Kendit pen riu ko kon dari Toyak ngin ya teli Kendit pen riu ko kon kari Kapor la dayangi Jingot melung kari tos ngam Yang ikakot ade yaram Jingot melung kari tos ngam Yang ikakot ade yaram Nado deng kong kasmi Tingit play kasaki Haga pertai yang ayapi Kikana tang menor Kuri badon akor Palay mentah palahir dor Kendit pen riu ko kon kari Toyangin ya teli Kendit pen riu ko kon kari Kapor la dayangi Jingot melu kari tos ngam Yang ikakot ade yaram Jingot melu kari tos ngam Yang ikakot ade yaram
Sur Nanong Kendong. A round of applause, please. Arlene was up on stage a while ago, and she was performing a number of songs with her band Naubanai. And now she will be performing a very special song. This was a song that was written by none other than Paul Lingdo. This was released in 1998 as part of the album Natway Kadonot. Kakerteng jong di kajigruay kaday, riba it ipay may.
Sharum shaneng ni pai ban kin nuot ya ki we on dangi waten rai ki dau dei na rim dei riba it ipa imei riba la ku ublei ban ten ya phang long men sim jong a kishlei dei tang men sim shin rang ban ken shi man ban kmin ken thet ya pha na ter sim ka jin jot na ka mian pa sin ya ki rum ki wa ki yang kan no jing snow sang so tak ti ki baharam ya ki piam la no u khun kari u klur u phai kat yang ka mon yu ti rat sing ban pot hatun langi dang don riba it ipa imei riba la kat khu u play ban ben ya phak ma long men sim jong a kishlei dei tang men sim shin rang ban ken shi man ban kni ken thet ya pha na ter sim ka jin jot na ka miet pa sin ya ki riu it ri shisha ki rang ken sai nang cha uwe nang kop ya nyam ten rai ka lei long spa on da la so mat la ya ki da spai rupa to ya kelam kenen nong rem ban shat kelang riba it ipa imei riba อันเป็ดยาพักลงมันเสียมจ้องงากกะเฉลยได้ตั้งมันเสียมฉันรังบันแค้นชีแม่บันกะเนียเก็นแทนยาพานาติดเสียมกาจิงจอนนากาเมียปาเส้นยาคุณเบลชิบุน
That gave me goosebumps. I don't know about you guys out there, but Arlene, 11 years old. A round of applause for her, Shillong, please. Come on, Shillong, louder. That's much better. This is what Meghalaya Grassroots Music Projects is all about. Young talent as young as 11 get a platform like this where they can hone their skills. And trust you me, as we proceed with this project, we will unearth such talents and we will bring them forth on such big stages. With that being said, we will get the stage ready. We will take a very short recession for the main act to come on board. And guess who that act is? Any names, please? Yes, it is Colors. One fan is there. Come on, I thought Colors had more fans. Do we have fans of Colors here tonight? Can we get a scream for Colors, please? Shillong, come on, that was really sad. Can we get a scream for Colors, please? All right, 5 minutes and we'll be right back. Check. Can we have some light music, please, while the band is getting set up?
Moon. Say so to capture.
And I don't understand all this is going to pass. How we've come to surround ourselves in a sea of thieves. In a land without learning, only the fools believe. Canyon road, had the sky to myself, it wasn't alone. solitary company. I know that I must do what's right, sure as Kilimanjaro rises like Olympus above the Serengeti. I seek to cure what's deep inside, frightened of this thing that I've become. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I guess the rain's down in Africa. It's gonna take some time to do the things we never Hurry, boy, she's waiting there for you. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I guess the rain's down in Africa. 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 It's gonna take some time to do the things we never It's not in the way that you hold me. It's not in the way you say you care. It's not in the way you've been treating my friends. It's not in the way that you stare to the end. It's not in the way you look or the things that you say that you do.
Hello, check.
Love isn't always on time. Oh, oh, oh. For the line. Love isn't always on time. Oh, oh, oh. It's not in the words that you told me, girl. It's not in the way you say you're mine. Ooh.
Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 launch. This evening's main act. Any guesses, please? Mano kine? Oh, g'day. And it is with great pride to introduce them on stage. Very good friends of mine. These guys have been playing big stages for years and years. Most of you guys out there would probably still be in diapers when these guys had hit those big stages. These guys have performed everywhere in the state. They have carried the name of the state outside as well as the top-notch rock band. And it's been after many years that I have this opportunity now to bring them back on stage for you guys. And I will do this introduction slightly differently. On drums we have Lang. On bass we have Arwell. On guitars we have Ree. On the keys we've got Hubert, and of course Danny on vocals. So Shillong, are you guys to rock and roll? Are you ready to rock and roll, rather? Aye, so sad, yeah, guys. Come on, I'll do this one more time. Shillong, are you ready to rock and roll? Colors, the stage is yours.
I'll do anything you say you want. you all having fun? Are you all having fun out there? Woo! I love you. Boy.
Charles pun dekat snare. Okay, this one will be the last song for the night. I hope you all enjoyed. Just check it out.
Spend 24 hours, 34 hours with you. You spend the weekend getting near. We spend a late night trying to make things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll the backward, babe. With playback clothes. Girls like you run round, guys like me. Somehow I got through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls that fun and then yeah, need you. Know what I got through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Spend last night for last night to you. It took a whole day up, trying to get way up. We spent a day, night, trying to make things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll it backward, babe. But play close. Cause girls like you run around, guys like me. Somehow I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls that fun and then yeah, need you. Know what I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause girls like you run round, guys like me. Somehow I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls that fun and then yeah, need you. Know what I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
Chance.
Check, check, check. 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 Okay, the sad news is I kongrit lalit na market block hang tirum mio busu unon pai sini. The good news is that sa artili jingrai.
Monitors. Check.
Two. Two. Okay, guys, this is for you, all of you. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. We find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know that when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. If it's tossing and a turning and you just fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget about you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. We find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know that when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never, ever, never let you go. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know that when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. You can count on me and I can count on you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said you're and dance with me. Let's move out of my destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night. The chemical, physical kryptonite. Helpless to the face that it faded light. Oh, we were meant to get together, meant to be together. She took my arms, I don't know how it happened. But took the boat, she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just leave your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, turn and dance with me. There's more that is my destiny. She said, turn and dance with me. A backless race falls in feet of snakes. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest when she looked at me. I knew we were meant to be together, meant to get together. She took my arms, I don't know how it happened. We took the boat, she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just leave your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, turn and dance with me. There's more that is my destiny. She said, turn and dance with me. Oh, come on, girls. Deep in her eyes, I do see the vision. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arms, I don't know how it happened, but took the boat. She said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, turn and dance with me. There's more that is my destiny. She said, turn and dance. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, turn and dance with me. There's more that is my destiny. She said, turn and dance with me. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Check, check. That was Colors on stage. Did you guys have a good time? Meghalaya Grassroots Music Projects. This is season 2. Launch of season 2. Day 1 has come to an end. Thank you so much for being part of this. But we will end this tonight. Before that, before I say anything else, a round of applause for Colors, please. Come on, Shillong, let's get a scream for Colors, please. Come on, let's hear that. Show some love. One last big scream for Colors. Come on, Shillong! Much better, much better. Okay, we end this tonight by I promise you this. Launch 2 means end of day 1. We still have day 2 and we have day 3. So tomorrow we will have Soul Groove performing for you. We will also have a band all the way from Nongstoin. Any names, please? We will be having Thunder's Caves, Thunderscape, sorry, and also we will have one more act, that is Rum and Monkeys. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Until tomorrow, God bless. It's a wrap.